Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Product. If you are searching for the best wall scanner to make your drilling safer and more accurate, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking a closer look at a smart tool that helps you detect what is hidden behind your walls before you start any project. Let's explore what it offers. Let's get started. The Neuafa NF517 wall scanner is designed to give you confidence before drilling into walls, ceilings, or floors. One of its most important features is the live AC power cable detect mode. This function allows the Neuafa NF517 wall scanner to identify live wires inside the wall. That means you can avoid accidental contact with electrical cables, which adds a strong layer of safety to your work. It helps prevent damage and keeps you protected. Accuracy is another strong point of the Neuafa NF517 wall scanner. It comes with a highly sensitive sensor that helps locate the exact center of the detected object. As you move the scanner across the wall, it provides clear feedback. When you reach the center position, a signal indicator bar appears on the screen. This makes it easy to know exactly where to drill, reducing mistakes and saving time. The device features an HD LCD display that shows results clearly and in real time. The screen is easy to read, so you can quickly understand what is behind the surface. Fast response time also makes the scanning process smooth. You get instant feedback as you move the scanner, which improves efficiency and precision. For quieter environments, the Neuafa NF517 wall scanner includes a one-press mute mode. With a simple short press, you can turn the sound on or off. This is especially helpful when working in offices or residential spaces where you want to avoid unnecessary noise. It gives you more control over how the device operates. Another key feature is its 3-in-1 detection capability. The Neuafa NF517 wall scanner can detect studs, live wires, and other common materials hidden behind surfaces. This multifunction design makes it suitable for a wide range of tasks. Instead of using multiple tools, you can rely on this single scanner to handle different detection needs. In terms of design, the Neuafa NF517 wall scanner is compact and easy to hold. It feels solid in hand and is built to handle regular use. The layout of the buttons and display is simple and user-friendly, so you do not need complicated instructions to get started. Overall, the Neuafa NF517 wall scanner combines safety, precision, and convenience in one smart device. It helps you drill with confidence and accuracy every time. This tool can truly make your projects safer and easier. Check the price link in the description to see the latest deal. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more helpful tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.